What I'm going to show you today is how to add a new page within the Language Centre website. So first of all, what you have to know is whether you have the permissions to add a new page. So once you've signed in to the website, and we're within the Language Centre here, you'll only know whether you can edit the page because when you've signed in, you'll see the word edit in the top right-hand corner. If you don't have that word, then you clearly don't have permissions to change those pages. So I'll come to an area of the site where I can edit, and I'm going to create a new page underneath this training page, just as a mock-up for this demonstration. So hovering over the edit link, I'm going to select create a new page. I've got a series of boxes here to fill in. I'm going to call this page mock-up. I'm going to make that all one word because otherwise I don't like it. The links and page headings I want to use correctly, a capital letter, and then I'm just going to copy that and put it in for everything else. These details can be changed afterwards. The important one is to get the URL correct. That URL needs to be a word, usually in English. I think you'll have to be in English in order to be recognised in the system, and have no non-alphanumeric characters, so not backslashes or asterisks or anything else. I'm going to leave these boxes ticked so that this page will show up in navigation. I'm going to make a normal page rather than a full page that spans both sides, the right-hand side as well. I'm going to allow search engines to find it, and I'm going to give it a description, which is a demonstration. It's quite useful to have keywords in there as well. Now, there are many different types of site builder page. Here I'm just creating a standard page, so I'll leave it as it is. As you can see, there are all sorts of different possibilities, each having their own slightly different function. And then I'm just going to click create a new page. In this particular instance, as I've done it before, it asked me whether I want to overwrite the older page. So here is my page. You can see the title has a capital letter, like the offset, and the link also has a capital letter. Currently the page has no content. So in order to input content, I'm going to go in behind the page and put the content in. I'm going back up to edit and edit the center content. And now I'm in a WYSIWYG text editor, and what you see is what you get. So I can do this in exactly the same way as I would be typing a Word document. Okay, and in exactly the same way as a Word document, I will check my spelling and make sure that I'm happy with it. I can use a spell check as well. I've got different styles I can use. And hopefully this is actually editing the content of the web page is quite straightforward, and you know what to do on the platform for that. So I'm going to click publish, and now you can see the content within my page. Now the next important thing I need to do is to tell the system who is allowed to see that page. So I'm going to come back to edit and look at the page permissions. Now, currently, any user, whether they're logged in or not, can see my mock-up page. I don't want anybody to see it. At the moment, it's still in creation. I just want to share it with the people who are collaborating with me on it. So I'm going to take that that view permissions off. So I'm going to do that just for this one page. So I'll click the one cross. If I wanted to take view permissions off for everything underneath that page as well, then I would do the double cross. Just for this page, I'm taking that off. So also you can see that I've got lists of people here who can still see that page when they're signed in and will be able to do either admin or edit or contribute to the page. We can add additional ones using the boxes and the areas here on the right-hand side. I could also further protect it with a password if I chose to. Again, a single tick means apply to this page, double planting section, everything underneath the page. Okay, I've taken the view permissions off. I'll click Done just to check that those view permissions have worked. I'm now going to sign out, and sure enough, I can no longer see that page. I would need to sign in order to see it. So that is how to create your page and put it into the area you want to, and how then to edit the view permissions and make sure it's accessible only to those people who you want to share.